Welcome back to our exploration of Thirukkural, an ancient Tamil text brimming with timeless wisdom. Today, we delve into Kural 02 from Chapter 6, which sheds light on the significance of virtues in a life partner. Hello, and thank you for joining us. Thirukkural, written by the esteemed poet Thirukkural, offers profound insights into various facets of life. In Kural 02, we uncover the importance of virtues in a life partner and its impact on our overall well-being. Kural 02 states, if your spouse doesn't possess the virtues needed for married life, whatever else you possess in life is irrelevant. Thirukkural underlines the crucial role that virtues play in a successful and fulfilling marital relationship. Thirukkural emphasizes that a life partner lacking essential virtues can overshadow any other achievements or possessions in one's life. The virtues needed for a thriving marriage may include trustworthiness, loyalty, understanding, and empathy. Thirukkural reminds us that it is the presence of these virtues in our life partner that brings true fulfillment and happiness to our marital journey. Without these virtues, material wealth or external accomplishments lose their significance. This profound teaching urges us to prioritize virtues in the selection of a life partner. Thirukkural emphasizes that a virtuous spouse not only enhances the quality of our relationship but also contributes to our personal growth and overall well-being. Kural 02 from Chapter 6 serves as a reminder that the virtues possessed by our life partner profoundly impact the trajectory of our married life. It encourages us to seek a partner who embodies these virtues, fostering a strong foundation for a blissful and fulfilling relationship. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the profound teachings of Thirukkural Kural 02 from Chapter 6. We hope you found this insight valuable. Stay tuned for more enlightening discussions on Thirukkural in our upcoming episodes.